How you doing? We're here in Aguada for the retention and recruiting. This is the Guard X. I'm Warrant Officer Sanchez. I'm a 915 Alpha, which is a warrant officer. There are not so many of them in the Guard here in Puerto Rico, but I'm one of the few. So right now at this point, what I'll be demonstrating here is how this 984 basically does the different operations that it does. We have a small engine, 6.5 turbo diesel engine from a Humvee. He has a demonstration as how it would actually pick up and actually load it either on the same vehicle that it's going to be placed on or any other kind of vehicle to take it away. Here we have Sergeant First Class Echaldegui. He's basically one of the operators here for our shop, and he operates the 984s as well as any other heavy equipment that we have at Field Maintenance Shop number 5 here at Mayagüez. What he's going to start performing is how the operations is on how to use the hoist and frame itself. So this is a short overview of how this operates. As always, it's very important. Safety, the distance is very important. Staying away from this kind of equipment because you don't know whether the chains or either the slings will snap or break loose. So the distance is very important at all times to make sure you're safe around this kind of equipment and movement. Have one person is the only person that will be giving instructions on the operations. There's no conflict in what they're doing with a third person. 3 basic operations, just moving that 6.5 liter engine from the operator side on this side to the passenger side. That's about it. Sergeant First Class Echaldegui, he is a 91 Bravo Correa. She is actually, Specialist Correa is actually a 49 Golf. She's a cook. We try to teach everyone so everybody be very versatile. Exactly. Thank you.